Hello everyone, hope you all had a good week and you liked my last video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the next step in your decision making process to travel overseas for higher qualification. As you all know, I am Khanin, an individual contributor to international education sector and a small stakeholder. The second step in this decision making process is to learn something new, to be able to add new skills to your profile, upskilling yourself. Why this is so important, guys? Now I'm going to outline 3 very important reasons why you should keep learning new things. In any case, learning is a continuous process, but because of COVID-19, guys, this learning process has become extremely crucial for your success and your ability to achieve your career goals overseas. My first reason, guys, being the time factor. Now timing is very important. Because of COVID-19, the world economies are under lockdown. Now, most of these countries that you want to travel to are not opening up for international students yet. So to utilize this time, I think you should work on adding new skills to your profile. You can actually take the advantage of making your profile even more stronger. As a graduate, as a student with some experience, you might be going for a master's degree or a PG qualification overseas, which is generally the traditional way of doing it. But going forward, you will need these additional skills. Utilize this time and upskill yourself as much as you can. Now coming to my second reason. Because of COVID-19, the global economies have changed forever. Even industries, business, public health, IT, engineering, sciences, all these industries will look totally different post COVID-19. So it is of paramount importance for you guys to not just stick to your core subject matter. So if you're a science graduate, try to learn something from business field. So all I'm trying to tell you is that add additional skills, experiences, knowledge, so that you can become a solid package, not just a student with a traditional qualification. Now coming to my third reason, which is the most important reason, guys, is the amount of unemployment. Across the globe, there are hundreds and thousands of job losses. People are losing jobs every day. And COVID-19 is not yet over. So we'll see more job losses. However, in countries like New Zealand, where job losses taking place in industries like hospitality, aviation, tourism, these individuals, they're immediately upskilling themselves. In fact, New Zealand has the reputation of having great adult education numbers. So what does that mean? We New Zealanders here, we continuously upgrade our skills. Even if we are working full time, we are learning new skills. Now obviously, that has given these candidates an edge. They will try to move to industries like information technology, engineering. So what they are doing, they are taking new training courses. They are taking short courses that will go for a quarter or 2 quarters. They are adapting to the changes in different industries. Now, why do I say unemployment? For international students, when you move from your home country to a country like New Zealand, you generally get some opportunity to work as well, because post-study work visas are there. Now, if you just complete your traditional degree qualification in that particular subject matter that you think you are very good at, and you don't have the additional skills, you may not be as competitive as you are supposed to be to get a good opportunity in New Zealand going forward. Now this is happening in all countries. I'm just giving an example. So if you have additional skills, you can compete with the workforce that is looking for jobs at the moment. The labor market is flooded with new people who has experience and they are upgrading their skills in New Zealand already. So if you are planning to come to New Zealand, you must have additional skills so that post your qualification, you are able to compete with these other candidates who are already lined up for new opportunities. The idea is to utilize the time and remain very competitive and able to adjust to the changes post COVID-19 will make sure that you are able to achieve your career goals post your higher qualification whenever you are able to travel overseas. To learn new skills, my friends, you don't have to go too far. You just have to do a Google search. You will see so many providers offering free courses. Some of them offer certificate courses as well, and they are not for long. They are few hours, few weeks long, and once you complete them, you can download certificates and statement of completion of such courses. For example, you can sign up for Google Garage, you can sign up for Open University, UK. So these are some of the sources, and there are hundreds other sources. You just need to look for them online and you will see they're offering many valuable and interesting subjects for you to learn. That's it, friends. Hope you like this video, and if you have any thoughts or any comments, please share them with me, and I will see you next week. Thank you.